Ashford has a really wonderful video put together for you for your thesis statement, but I wanted to just take a couple of minutes and talk about it because it's so important. So remember that it includes three things. This is really the cornerstone of your essay. It is the main topic. So it does include that main topic. It also includes your opinion or your stance on the issue, as well as reasons why you feel that way. And typically, three is a pretty good number to go with. So, three main reasons. You could do two, but three is usually a pretty wise number to go with. So, here's an example for you. Obtaining a college education has several benefits, including specialized knowledge in a field, greater job marketability, and an increased income over one's lifetime. So there's your three reasons and your stance and your topic. A couple of things that I've noticed students, the mistakes that they make that are very common that I wanted to just address with you is they miss the main ingredients that have to go in a thesis. So that's definitely something to spend a lot of time on. Saying I or referring to the self in an academic essay or you or we. So we want to write in the third person. We want to say one might feel this way because. Okay, so we're going to be practicing that. Spelling out contractions, even though we say don't instead of do not, and that's how we speak to each other. In formal academic writing, we spell out do not. Okay, so you're going to want to watch for that. Make sure to watch for your sentence fragments and comma splices, your general spelling, grammar mistakes that people make. We're always going to want to edit for those things. And then if maybe you tend to use too many words to describe something, description is a great thing, but oftentimes we can go overboard and then maybe it's turning into a run-on sentence. So we don't want to have that. Just some things to keep in mind as you move forward. I have a helpful worksheet attached that walks you through the first four questions that you see on this slide. Identifying the subject of your paper, turning your subject into a guiding question, answering that question with a statement, and then using that number three, how you've answered that, developing that into a working thesis with your topic, your opinion or your stance on the issue, and your reasons for supporting that. Okay, so this is a slide to maybe help you think about it. It's an example that you could maybe work with to understand how to adjust your topic into something that works. Trying to make sure we get underneath our time limit of 3 minutes and 30 seconds here, but still get the information to you. So a couple of things to consider when you are evaluating your resources. Should I or should I not include this in my annotated bibliography, which will eventually lead to the sources that I'm using to support my paper? You want to think about the author's credibility. Why should we listen to that person? Are they an expert in the area? You want to think about the publication. Are they reputable? Are they peer reviewed? Or is it just a news article? What is the discussion in that source? Is it biased to one side or the other of an argument? Is it current? Or even if it isn't current, is the information still relevant? And is the information accurate? Is there logic backing up the claims? Is there data? Are there references? So these are some of those things that you really want to keep in mind. I hope you find these videos helpful.